Guys, this is not the usual type of video that I make for my cooking channel, but nonetheless, this is a recipe and it is very important. It's for your chickens. Now let me show you what I'm going to do. Okay. Hey guys, today we're going to make something for our chickens. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to make something that is going to be very beneficial to them. It's a dewormer. I've been looking online at the different packaging and whatnot. And guys, let me tell you, a little bag about like this right here that barely lasts a month is almost $30. And that doesn't even begin to cover the number of chickens I have. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our own. There's lots of variations of the recipes out there, but this is the one that I'm going to use. Cayenne and crushed red pepper, black pepper, garlic, oregano, flaxseed, and just a little bit of salt. Don't worry about trying to remember the amounts that I put in there because I will give you all the information in the description box. But cayenne and the red pepper flakes kill parasites. If you have chickens and they're on the ground, let me tell you, they have worms. Plain and simple. They come up out of the ground. There's nothing you can do to prevent that. However, we can treat them and kill them, which is what we're going to do. Okay. I'll start by adding my different ingredients in the order that's listed. Again, we have cayenne, we have crushed red pepper, and then black pepper. You guys pay full price for the different blends and whatnot you use for your animals, or are you like me, a do-it-yourselfer? Because I can't pay $30 a month for a pack of something that's not going to treat half of my birds. I would rather go myself, buy the ingredients, spend a fraction of that, and have a couple of months worth of the treatments for them. Guys, you'll see some of these are heaping spoons. It's okay. I mean, it's not rocket science. It's something that's going to help your chickens. So I tend to measure a little full. And guys, this is sea salt, which has a lot of minerals in there. Your chickens do need a little bit. So instead of using the big tablespoon and using the 2 tablespoons, I'm just going to give them a little teaspoon. That way they get a few minerals and electrolytes and stuff like that. I'm just going to shake this up. I prefer to do this in small batches. That way I get everything mixed up better, because I don't want to constantly be smelling all that red pepper. And as you can see, when it's blended, that's what it looks like. And I have about probably 30 chickens in my biggest pen. And I put about 1/3 of a cup of this a day on their food. I just mix it in their food with treats or whatnot I give them. If I don't have treats for them, I'll put it in there with the pellets. And guys, they like it. They go crazy over it. It smells good. It's something different. And peppers do not affect chickens like they affect us. They don't taste the heat, guys. So don't worry that I'm burning my birds up or that it's going to bother yours, because it won't. But I've been doing this probably for about a month or so, and I have feathers that are starting to look better because it's killing the internal parasites so they can focus on regrowing feathers. They don't have all the poopy butt that they did before that's on the feathers under the vent. So guys, I'm a firm believer. This is helping my chickens. Give it a try and see if it helps yours. Let me know if it does. But thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Follow me on my social media. And guys, I'll see y'all on that next video.